I'm Charles Boda, and this is your Diz Daily Fix for January 16th, 2018. Marvel's Black Panther is set to hit theaters 1 month from now, February 16th, and it has already established itself in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. The film has brought in more pre-sale ticket purchases in 24 hours than any other Marvel project to date. This is according to popular online ticket retailer Fandango. Now, the previous record holder in the Marvel family was Captain America Civil War. And although we don't have the pre-sale numbers for Civil War or Black Panther, we do know that Civil War earned $75.5 million on its opening day, and that gives us some idea of what we can expect from Black Panther when it debuts. Now, Civil War went on to gross $1.2 billion worldwide, and it also introduced the character Black Panther to movie audiences. So right now, T'Challa is 2 for 2 in the pre-sale game. Now, if you didn't catch Civil War and you're unfamiliar with the Black Panther, he's pretty awesome. And the character T'Challa, portrayed by Chadwick Boseman in the films, first appeared in the pages of Fantastic Four back in 1966 and was created by industry legends Jack Kirby and Stan Lee. Now, T'Challa is the king of the African nation of Wakanda, and Wakanda is both incredibly technologically advanced and prosperous, as well as isolationist and reclusive. It's also the main producer of vibranium, the sought-after material that Cap's shield is made from. As king, T'Challa holds the mantle of the Black Panther, protector of the nation. He possesses a genius intellect and brilliant mind for strategy, intimidating combat skills, and access to next-level technology. So, he has elements like Batman, Iron Man, and Captain America, except he has to balance that with guiding and protecting an entire nation. He is a superhero and a king, so he is pretty awesome. He was also married to Storm from the X-Men for a while, and that romantic comedy goes on my Disney Fox purchase wish list. Now, the first in a series of Disneyland After Dark events, Throwback Nite is happening this Thursday the 18th from 8 p.m. to 1 a.m., and a few new details have been released. Here are some of the things you can look forward to at the retro event, which celebrates Disneyland from the 50s and 60s. At the Main Street Station, a Four Seasons tribute band will perform. In the Central Plaza, a DJ will sample music from throughout the park and take requests and dedications. A live swing and jazz band will perform near It's a Small World, and a piano player and singer will perform the hits of Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin, and more aboard the Mark Twain riverboat. Now, since you'll need energy for all that dancing I'm sure you'll be doing, some special food options there will include golden fried pepper jack mac and cheese bites topped with Waltz chili at Stage Door Cafe, Kahlua pork over ginger lemongrass jasmine rice at Bengal Barbecue, chicken pot pie in a bread bowl at Royal Street Veranda, Dreamsicle Mickey Beignets, I'm never sure how to pronounce that, at the Mint Julep Bar, and a hot fudge cake sundae at Gibson Girl Ice Cream Company. Now, there will, of course, be special merchandise for the event, including t-shirts, ornaments, and tumblers, which will be available at La Peach Chalet in Fantasyland and Disney Showcase on Main Street, USA. Now, guests will be treated to a display of the Fantasy in the Sky fireworks, which are thematically appropriate as they originally debuted in 1958. Separate tickets are required for the event, and those will run you about $95 per person. Lastly, in Stuff I Didn't Know Was a Thing news, locked refillable shampoo, body wash, and conditioner dispensers have been sighted in Disney's Pop Century Resort. Now, we mentioned last August about testing for the new system taking place at Port Orleans Riverside. It appears that the dispensers are now being installed at Pop Century, and other resorts may follow. Now, the products are still Disney's usual H2O Plus products, but those looking for tiny bottles as extra keepsakes are out of luck. Now, whether this is a cost-cutting measure, an attempt to eliminate needless waste, or the sinister machinations of the fat cats at Big Dispenser, it's anybody's guess. But we will keep you posted as to where and when these devices pop up. Now, today's featured article is the latest in Brandon Morocco's Disneyland vs. the Magic Kingdom series, where he goes attraction by attraction and rates which coast does it best. This time, he's looking at 2 Western theme lands, so check out Disneyland vs. the Magic Kingdom, Frontierland Critter Country today. Now, trending on the boards today is a thread where poster Diana13 reports that paper products are currently being used instead of real dishes and silverware for the quick service lunch at Be Our Guest restaurant in the Magic Kingdom. Now, in the thread, posters are expressing their unhappiness about this apparent test that is taking place over the next 2 weeks, according to a cast member who says the change happened yesterday. Stop by the Disney Restaurants Forum and look for the thread entitled BOG Paper Plates Only to join in on this hot topic. Join us today at 1 for the Dis Unplugged Walt Disney World edition, where all the major news, stories, and topics will, of course, be discussed. And you can check that out on disunplugged.com at 1 p.m. today. For the weather today, guests in Orlando will have a mostly sunny day, a high of 70 and a low of 48. Temperatures will drop a bit for the rest of the week, though, with highs in the mid-60s to mid-50s range. Those in Anaheim will have a partly cloudy day, with a high of 72 and a low of 51. And for information on everything I've mentioned, go to wdwinfo.com/dailyfix. And that will be just about it for me today. But join us again tomorrow for another installment of your Diz Daily Fix.